Hello, this is Kathy Lee, Crafting with Kathy Lee. I am here to show you a little more of what I'm going to use for my first design team projects with Vals Crafts Creations, and this is her sunflower kit. So previously I showed you the full-size kit that I printed out, and then I decided that I'm going to actually maybe do a smaller project. So I printed these out. These were printed out on 8.5 by 11. I went ahead and printed out a set. I used the regular size for the background in case I want to use both sides. And I went ahead and printed these out as 5 by 7 so I can do a smaller project of some sort. I haven't decided what I'm going to do with these, but I printed them out smaller so that I can do a project with the smaller prints, because sometimes if you use a full-size paper to do smaller projects, it doesn't quite have the same feel. So I printed those out, and then I want to show you some of the accessories I'm going to use. I'm going to be working on some of these tomorrow away from home, so I just wanted to grab a few things that I might need along with my normal tools. I got my Tim Holtz mini distress ink and scattered straw. I thought that would coordinate nicely. I'm going to check it again. Might be a little dark. I might have to go with a different one. I might take a couple different yellows to see which one I want to use. So I have that ready to go. I'm also going to take just some regular twine. I have a couple of yellow ribbons. These are a little bright. This one's a little more muted. I may end up going with just a cream ribbon, but for now I'm going to take these. I probably won't get to the point where I need ribbon or twine tomorrow. Usually takes me a little longer to do my projects. Then I went ahead and grabbed some assorted yellowish, tan, beige buttons. And I also grabbed my yellow assorted brads. And I also grabbed some yellow buttons. And I think even those bright buttons will look pretty good with some of these. So that's just in case. Like I said, I doubt I will get to the embellishment stage tomorrow, but just in case, I want to have these with me so I can use them if I need to. And I also grabbed some sunflowers that I already had. These are Prima sunflowers. Don't know if I will use these on the project or not, but I might. And I think even though they're darker, I think they'll coordinate very well. Then I have these old, these are not sunflowers, but they're nice cute little yellow flowers that might coordinate well. And that's what I have. Those are some of the embellishments I'm going to use with this project. Again, this is with Valscraftscreationsdesignteam project, and most of us will be posting ours in the next week or so and into the month of March. This is actually the March design theme project we're working on, but some people are really anxious and they want to show off their stuff early. So check out the links in the video to the other design team members' projects, or to the other design team members' YouTube channels. Please like this video. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for visiting Crafting with Kathy Lee. This is Kathy Lee saying good night.